Back in 2013, Bob Rusko, then 53 years old, was a familiar story in America. Too familiar. He was more than 100 pounds overweight, at risk of heart disease and diabetes. He was also self-employed, and no company wanted to offer him health care insurance. He was considered too big a risk.
Was that tough to get one insurance? Well, it doesn't make me warm and fuzzy. I didn't like it, but it was the reality of the situation. When did you first hear about the Affordable Care Act? Just over the news.
Here's the fish. He bit it off. He bit the string in half.
It was October, I remember, and I wanted to be caught.
Didn't you, Storm? Didn't you bite that in half?
Starting in 2000,
After about 60 seconds of playing with it.
insurance after
Institutions are holding Mr. Trump and his business's debt. This is Christina Leckie on this. She joins us. Good morning.
Good morning. Let's break down this headline, right? What happened here is that Wall Street took Donald Trump's debt, put it in a large soup of other similar debt, and sold it off to a number of financial institutions.
You don't like the mouse, do you?
So many different.
Nah. Oh, well, there you go. There you go. No.
The problem is
You like that string more. Yes.
Donald Trump has any
Strings. You like strings.
interest payments. Well, lawyers worry that the dynamic could influence the way that he thinks about how to deal with it. The Treasury Department will help regulate them. His Justice Department will decide whether to prosecute them when they're accused of wrongdoing. So all of this presents a very interesting ethical question. But let me
Sign the security.
So as you saw, Storm tore up his string on his toy.
At least it's some
And, it looks like a fishing pole, like a wand with a string attached to it, and then a feather and a cloth fish. So he snapped the string on that. So now we're going to try paracord. And I got 50 feet. And this, you should really like this. It's bright fluorescent orange. So Storm's in his man cave right now, a.k.a. under my IKEA bed. Let's see if he's in there. I don't see. Oh, there he is. There he is. Can't see him. He's hiding. Come out, Storm. Come on out. Storm likes salmon. Don't you, Storm? Yes. You're a good boy. Got a little salmon snack. Want to play? I think I caught a cat. Storm. You can't snap that one. Can't tear that one up. Oh. 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 I caught another cat. Oh,